grade 6. This is your teacher Hanna, that will make your English easy and fun to learn. Welcome students. We're done with basic sight words for grade 6 set A. So now, let us read the basic sight words for grade 6 set B. Again, what are sight words? These are the terms that people use the most frequently and are therefore the easiest for students to remember. You're going to read it first and then check it if it's correct. Are you ready to read the basic sight words set B? Okay, so now let us read the following words. Subject, subject. Wasn't, wasn't. Yellow, yellow. Force, force. Bad, bad. Pear, pear. Wrong, wrong. Sand, sand. Wait, wait. General, general. Skin, skin. I've. It is the short form of I have. Party, party. Test, test. Temperature, temperature. Ahead, ahead. Practice, practice. Difficult, difficult. Cover, cover. Okay, that is the last word. Up next, basic sight words set C. Maraming salamat. I hope you enjoy reading with me. If you have any questions or content suggestion, just leave a comment on the comment section below. Thank you and God bless. Hope you enjoy reading. Bye-bye. Oops! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming video lesson. God bless!